Namaste. Welcome to Coffee at SVMS. I'm your host Siddhi Thakur, and today we have our special guest, Mrs. Sandhya Chikara ma'am, and she is the DEO in Panchkula. Namaste ma'am. My name is Siddhi Thakur, and I'm really a creative person, and I love new things. I love learning new things. I have really curiosity of learning new things every day. So here I am with you for, I just want 2-3 question answers. So the first question I would love to ask to you, what is the one thing which you find the most meaningful in this today's event?
Most meaningful is like giving a good platform to students from different schools for learning and understanding the legacy of Swami Vivekananda ji, and they could have a glimpse of all that and whatever his teachings, through his teachings he wanted to convey to people, to the students whom he considered the most powerful youth of the day.
Thank you ma'am. And the second question is, because this is a really different concept, that in this competition everyone is winner, because every individual will be participating without any fear that, oh, I want to come first, because everyone, if I'm also participating in any competition, I have that one thing that I have to come first for myself, for everyone. But here everyone get a chance to showcase their talent, their creativity and everything. So what do you think about this topic?
Like every child has a different talent, and every form of creation is beautiful in its own way. So the children here participated with a complete freedom of mind, and they could express whatever without comparing it with others. So I suppose whatever came out, whatever presentation was given by them was beautiful. So appreciation for all is like a different concept, I would say.
And my last question would be, like, how can an individual like me, how can I promote this topic to the everyone? Because if I'm talking with my friends also, like, I love playing chess. So also when I'm playing chess, I have that one thing, na, whenever I play any district championship or state championship, that I have to win. There is the one thing that I have to win. And that is just a pressure that I just create in myself only whenever I'm playing chess, and it's not really good for myself. So how can an individual think that we should not compare ourselves with others, we should just focus on ourselves and we should give our 100% in any task we are doing?
Like you are talking about competition. So I suppose all players, healthy competition is good beta. If you like, it doesn't take a toll on your mind, you don't take pressure about it. So healthy competition in every way, it's good. So if you like consider it that way, I myself have been a sports person. So you do sometimes give out your best when you are in a competitive mindset. So that is also good. But sometimes this concept, whatever I said earlier also, that it's different in its own way. Like every child has its own potential, but there is scope of improvement. So competition like should not be taken as pressure on you. Should not take pressure on yourself, be it exams, be it sports, be it cultural activities. So you should try to give your best only and keep that in mind. Then you will not take pressure of any competition.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Nice talking to you. Thank you. Same here.
Thank you, ma'am. And thank you so much for coming to this event.
No, it was my pleasure.
It's a really special day for us also today.
I got to learn so many things, so many different concepts I came to learn about, and different corners that your school has made, and the vision of the school, vision of your principal.
Yes.
And that's wonderful to know. Meeting the Swamiji is also so wonderful. So it's entirely my pleasure.
No, ma'am, also mine also, because I'm also here for learning, and every time a principal sir invites such a big person over here, that we also get to know so much about their story, how the hard work is.
We are here for your service.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
We are not big persons. We are here for your service. Swamiji, service to nation. We are here for serving our education community.
That's why I'm also feeling like really happy to coming and talk to you both, and I'm thankful to principal sir also because he also gave us like so much multiple tasks to do. And
Yes, yes.
actually,
One of the
I'm-
student of this school is standing here.
Yeah.
And actually, I'm improving myself in talking, in stage, and now I don't have a stage fear just because I'm getting so much involved. And thank you, sir. Thanks.
He's giving you opportunity.
Full on that day, even on with Swadeshi.
Okay,
She was
Mahotsav.
a front performer over there from the school side, and she did.
So the lesson to you is grab
All the
every
achievements.
opportunity that comes your way in life.
Yes, ma'am, definitely. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's really nice meeting her. So thank you, and please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.